everyone, this is Ashley Jamerson coming to you from Ashley Lambert Realty, and I am finally making a follow-up video to my What Can I Afford If I'm Paying X Amount in Rent series. Today I'm going to focus on $1,800. The last video, which I'm going to link above, I focused on rents of $1,200. So one thing to keep in mind is that these are estimates. This is based off a 4% interest rate across the board. The taxes, then the insurance is estimates based upon what area of Charlotte are the outlying areas that you are looking into. And the FHA and the conventional down payments are 3.5% for FHA and 3% for conventional. I'm not including any type of down payment assistance. I'm not including the VA funding fee if you are a veteran. I'm not including anything dealing with USDA or anything that would change my numbers. Basically, my numbers are very basic and your numbers may be different. You may be approved for a loan with 4.25 or 3.75 or 3.5. All my numbers are based on what? 4.0. So I want you guys to definitely keep that in mind. Now I'm going to start showing you some houses that you can afford if you are currently paying $1,800 a month in rent. Now I'm going to say that loosely because if you get approved for a conventional loan, you will be paying approximately $1,732, which obviously is less than $1,800, but that's with 3% down and a loan amount of $291,000. This is again 4.0 interest rate. There is no mortgage insurance, and there is a monthly HOA of $60 a month, which will get you into a neighborhood, very typical of $300,000. This means that you would have an HOA bill for $360 a year. This is a conventional loan and your down payment will be $9,000. Now keep in mind, just because your down payment is 3%, it does not mean that you cannot put more down. That's just the minimum. You can also use some money to buy down the interest rate, and you're not buying it down from 4.0 to 3.0. You're buying it down by the eighth or by the quarter, depending on your lender. If you are buying the same $300,000 house with an FHA loan, your numbers will look and feel a little bit different. The biggest difference is that you will more than likely have mortgage insurance, and mortgage insurance nowadays is for the life of the loan. Unless you refinance out of the loan, you will always have mortgage insurance until this mug is paid off. So your monthly mortgage is a little bit higher than the $1,800 that I have all over this video. If you're using an FHA loan and you're buying a $300,000 house, your mortgage will be a little bit higher. You're looking at $1,846. This is with a 3.5% down payment, which is $10,500. So it's a little bit more for FHA. FHA is typically geared towards first-time home buyers, and again, you will have mortgage insurance. Your loan amount, or the amount you'll be financing, is $289,500. And again, this is based off of 4.0 interest. If your interest is higher or lower, these numbers will be different. Obviously, my clients who were able to secure interest rates at 3.5, 3.75, even 3.125, their payments are drastically lower. I kept the insurance, the taxes, and the HOA amounts the same. So these are awesome houses. These are great houses here in the Charlotte area. All these homes close at exactly $300,000. So you're going to get at least 3 bedrooms. You more than likely will get a 1 or 2 car attached garage. You will get a pretty good yard, pretty good neighborhood, amenities such as parks, picnic areas, pools, and pretty good commute to uptown Charlotte. One thing that I want to mention with you guys is that even though you're buying the house for $300,000, if you were to keep the house and the loan for the full 30-year fix and you made every payment on time, consistently, didn't make any extra payments, you'll end up paying over $620,000 for this $300,000 house. So do what a lot of my friends and I do whenever we get extra money, when you get bonuses, taxes, things like that. I call it found money or gift money. You want to throw it at the principal so you can avoid paying over double for these houses. I mean, they're beautiful, but come on, you don't want to be that person who does that. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or if you or a friend are thinking about moving, buying, relocating, selling, investing, anything dealing with real estate in Charlotte and the surrounding areas, I would love to be your real estate agent. All of my contact information is below, including a link to my calendar. I open my calendar to you so you can find a time that works best and we can chat in person. We can talk about the process. We can start narrowing down neighborhoods that you love, and I can answer all your questions face to face, you and I. So I look forward to talking to you, and until the next video, bye.